Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some basic selection for the computer aided designs, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. So now, like I mentioned, today's video we're going to be looking at the selection part of CAD. Now this is pretty straightforward, but there is a few catches when it comes to different methods. Now first of all, I'm going to just quickly go into CAD and then create a basic shape. This 100 by 100, just give us something to select. Then I'm going to just add here, let's grab this one, and then I'm just going to make a spacing. I selected the wrong one. Make a spacing about, what is that, 100 by 100. I'm going to go 3 line by 2 line, say okay. And here we've got our blocks. Now in most cases you can simply just click on what you want to select. So if you use your left mouse button and you click on something, it will select it. If this does not, however, go accordingly, it might be that you have another tool selected over here somewhere, maybe a ruler or something like that. Then a good way out of that is you either just click on the rectangle. That's one way you can do it. You say cancel, and then you should be able to select again. Or what you can do is you select one of these navigation tools. So maybe the pan, and then you select the pan again, just go out of it. If you select the pan and keep it there, obviously it's going to pan it around. So that is quite important. Then when it comes to selecting, we're going to simply just left click on what we want to select. It's pretty straightforward. Now you can cancel it by clicking off. You can also cancel it by right clicking, and then it will cancel. But now you can see we no longer have the selection cross there. So you'll have to click, or sometimes you have to click and click again like that. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, like I said, the basic selection, this is what you'll be using with most of your things. So if I want to delete something, I can click that, just hit delete, because there's 2 of them, because it's 2 cubes, and there you go. We've got now a slightly different shape going because of the just removing simply those things. You can also obviously open contours like this. You can select that and remove that, which I'm not going to do. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the basic selection. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward, but you'll be using this probably 90% of your time, or let's rather say 60%, because there's a few other selections which come in quite handy. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.